what is the likelihood of succeeding in a lawsuit after you've been involved in an accident? Most of the people who are looking at hiring a lawyer or reaching out to a lawyer following an accident haven't been involved in this process before. And one of the things they think about or wonder is this worth my time pursuing? And what are the chances that I get a successful outcome? Now, every case is different, and that's sort of the biggest caveat. But generally, if you are able to prove that you got hurt because someone else was negligent, you will be much more likely to reach a successful outcome, whether that's through a settlement or a jury trial or something else. Ultimately, the facts are what matter in these cases. So if you were in a car and another car ran through a red light or an intersection illegally and hit you, you will more likely be able to prove that that person was negligent and that your injuries were the result of that negligence. Similarly, if you went to somebody's home and you fell down a step that was damaged and that had been damaged for some significant period of time, that will help you ultimately prove that the homeowner was negligent and that the negligence caused your injuries. So when you're thinking about whether the case will be successful and whether you'll have a successful outcome, you should think about the things that led up to the accident or the incident itself. Who was at fault? Is it clear that the fault is there? Are you going to be able to prove it? And are you going to be able to establish that the negligence or the failure to act reasonably by the other person is actually what caused your damages? If you can meet those thresholds, if you can meet those elements, it's more likely that you'll be able to establish that there was negligence, that it caused your injuries, and you will ultimately hopefully get a successful outcome, or be more likely to get a successful outcome in those situations. If you have questions about any of this, feel free to reach out to us.